Hey everyone, this is Loreli with WTI. If you're looking for a beautiful, delicate, and classy looking bracelet, let me show you this one my husband got me for our anniversary. This is a sparkling cubic zirconia tennis bracelet, and the store is Gemstone King. One of the reasons why I love this bracelet so much, it's because it's the perfect match for my purple earrings and pendant. And one of the first things I noticed about this bracelet is its stunning design. It's delicate yet eye-catching, making it a great addition to that elegant look you're looking for. When I wear it with my purple earrings and pendant, it completes the look perfectly. I also love how easy it is to put on and take off. The clasp is sturdy and secure, so I don't have to worry about it falling off during the day. The quality of this bracelet is fantastic. It's well made and it feels durable. It's also very comfortable to wear. Overall, I'm really happy with this bracelet because it's delicate, it's classy, and it pairs perfectly with my other earrings and pendant. And that is my point of view.